All right, YouTube. I just want to give you an update from my first preliminary result from the EB50PL that we have here. As you know, this is a prototype or pre-release sale. Let me turn off the. So, okay, less noise now. Sorry about that. I want to show you these preliminary results. I posted already in my Facebook group the numbers. So if you want to see it, you can go. I'm gonna post the link of this post. Basically, if you notice, I compare the EV 50PL with the 40PL 40P. I was not going to add that one, but I selected by mistake. BAK 45D, Ampace JP40, and the Molicel P50B. So the final results, the 50PL gave me 4812 milliamps. This is under 40 amps discharging rate. So next one, the P50B, the Molicel, it gave me 4578. Below that, and this is the reverse of the numbers. I want to clarify something. I was unable to start discharging this cell at 40 amps, so because it's what blowing my fuse. So, yep, it was blowing that fuse. Where is the fuse? This fuse. If I start discharging, that was the last results. You can see it there. So I'm giving this information very fresh. And this is what is happening if I try to discharge at 40 amps. So it's a defect. So from this equipment. So, but anyway, I mean, we can compare results here. That's gonna be cool. Let me show you here now with graphics. So it's gonna be better in graphics. So graphics. Let's put this like that. I mean, again, this is preliminary only. The equipment has not been well calibrated yet because it's just the time. So the lower, the better in this graphic. Okay. Oh, let me go back. So in the very bottom, the coolest cell based in this graphic was the JP40, running at that in that test. And the hotter was the 40P is a completely different technology cell. So it should not include this here. But anyway, again, I know in this specific test my numbers are off because it show next to the Molicel and 50PL next together, but I know my numbers are a little bit higher in the 50PL. I understand it's gonna be below this, but it's better numbers. So let's wait for March. March have a very well calibrated equipment. So in the what is this? The watts hour, 15.73, great numbers. On top, this cell. In capacity, look at that. Taking consideration, this cell is rated for 5 amps hour or 5,000 milliamps. Under 40 amps, it gave me 4812. I know it's have a little bit more because my tester, again, it read just a little bit lower the voltage. So again, let's wait for much results. But I mean, comparing with Molicel is much better numbers, and you can see these numbers here. What else is this? This one is the power over the time. Great numbers. Look at how high is this cell compared with the other ones. It's very impressive. In the beginning, again, we need to clarify. This weird numbers here is because I have to start in 35 amps and then increase that in the first seconds. Otherwise, it blow my fuse. So I need to clarify that, okay? So, but at least we can compare a little bit the numbers. Look at this one, voltage over the drop. I mean, over the time. Clear, this cell is on top all the time and all the way to the bottom. So it's really is gonna be really a good sell, and I hope the final release, which is the last cell. This one is pre-production. The final production is normally it get better, so that's really great news. All right, guys, I don't take more time. I was just want to share these results. Uh, Check. I'm gonna be posting down here the link so you can see this in my Facebook group. DIY 500 amp is the group. You can search for it. I'm gonna be hopefully bringing this cell to the store soon. I will do my best to give the best price. I mean, I hope this cell is gonna be under $8. I'm hoping that. So it's not like Molicel that is in $10. I hope it is gonna be better and with better performance. All right, guys, I don't take more time. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't to. Click the notification bell. Support the store, DIY500amp.com. I really appreciate your time. Have a good one.